How to clear cookies on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Apps like Safari and Google holds a lot of cookies, so you have to clear cookies from those apps. For that, open your settings. Here we go, scroll down. Find the app Safari. Once you find it, open it. Scroll down. You'll find the option Clear History and Website Data. Click on it. Check in for the option All History. Toggle on for the option Close All Tabs. Now click on Clear History. Once you do that, you can close this. Now open your Google browser. At the top right corner, you will find the profile icon. Click on it. Head towards the option of Settings. Open it. Go to the option Privacy and Security. Open it. Click on History. You'll see the option of Cookies. Click on Clear. Click on Clear All. After you do that, you will be good to go. So this is how you can clear cookies on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.